अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव 2025 के सरल शिल्प मेले और मीडिया सेंटर का हरियाणा के राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर असीम कुमार घोष ने किया शुभारंभ। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव 2025 के सरस शिल्प मेले और मीडिया सेंटर का हरियाणा के राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर असीम कुमार घोष ने शुभारंभ किया है। राज्यपाल असीम कुमार घोष ने खुली जीप में ब्रह्म सरोवर पर आयोजित शिल्प मेले का अवलोकन किया और परंपरागत रूप से गीता पूजन और घंटा बजाकर ब्रह्म सरोवर पर आयोजित होने वाले 21 दिवसीय अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव का शुभारंभ किया। राज्यपाल असीम घोष ने कुरुक्षेत्र की पवित्र भूमि पर भगवान श्री कृष्ण के मुख से प्रकटी गीता उपदेश पर और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव के अवसर पर आयोजित शिल्प मेले पर मीडिया से बातचीत की। उन्होंने अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव के दिव्य समारोह की रूपरेखा पर भी प्रकाश डाला। राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर असीम कुमार घोष ने कहा कि इस बार 10वां अंतर्राष्ट्रीय गीता महोत्सव धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र में 15 नवंबर से शुरू हो रहा है और ये 5 दिसंबर तक चलेगा। पहली बार 21 दिन तक चलने वाले इस महोत्सव में सांस्कृतिक ज्ञान और आध्यात्मिकता का अलग ही संगम देखने को मिलेगा। उन्होंने कहा कि धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र 48 कोस की परिधि में फैला है और इस क्षेत्र में अनेक तीर्थ है। कुरुक्षेत्र विकास बोर्ड द्वारा 182 तीर्थों की पहचान की जा चुकी है। उन्होंने कहा कि हमारी धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र की इस पावन भूमि को भारतीय संस्कृति की क्रीड़ा स्थली होने का गौरव प्राप्त है। इसी भूमि में पावन सरस्वती के तटों पर वेदों, उपनिदेशों और पुराणों की रचना हुई और इसी भूमि को श्रीमद् भगवद गीता की जन्मस्थली होने का विशेष सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। उन्होंने कहा कि कुरुक्षेत्र की युद्ध भूमि में मोहग्रस्त अर्जुन को भगवान श्री कृष्ण के मुखारविंद से श्रीमद् भगवद गीता का जो शाश्वत उपदेश दिया गया था, इस वर्ष इस उपदेश को दिए हुए 5163 वर्ष हो जाएंगे।
चलो सर, चलो सर, चलो चलो जनाब। अब रोक दे भाई, हेलो आगे काट। नहीं आपकी सही याद है। ठीक है एक मिनट चुप हो जाओ यार। चुप हो जाओ यार, प्लीज हो जाए। ओम शांताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं भेदवर्णं शुभंगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगविद्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरणं सर्वलोकैकनाथं नानासुगन्धिपुष्पाणि यथा कालं भवानि च पुष्पाञ्जलिर्मया दत्तो गृहाणां परमेश्वरं मन्त्रपुष्पाञ्जलिं समर्पयामि। गीता माता की जय। मंगलम पुंडरीकाक्ष मंगलाय स्तनो हरिः।
सर भाई थोड़ी सी नीचे करो भाई।
It's a related day in the history of our country. This day is being observed as the 10th International Gita Mahotsav Day. It is being observed with great grandeur devotion and with all the care that the nation has. It is being observed on the sacred soil of Kurukshetra, a historic place in the lives of a nation. It is a sacred soil where Gita was delivered by Lord Krishna. His lecture had taught us devotion, compassion, duty, tolerance, every human values that we have. This divine discourse of Lord Krishna given to Arjuna on the battlefield of Kurukshetra has guided humanity for millennia. This is not a guidance for a particular community. It is a guidance for the humanity. For centuries, the Gita has inspired righteousness, courage, duty, and inner awakening across societies and generations. The Kurukshetra Development Board, which has been tirelessly working for the uplift and improvement of this field, Kurukshetra field, its preservation and conservation. And today more than 182 heritage sites linked to the Mahabharata, Krishna's life and ancient Indian knowledge systems stand documented and preserved. 182 places are here which are documented and preserved. It is a historic thing that we are preserving. International Gita Mahotsav for the last nine years have been observed in various countries, not only in our country, in Haryana and in Kurukshetra, but in various countries. And this is the 10th year which we are celebrating with great fanfare. Various foreign scholars will be coming. Various seminars will be held on Gita in various countries. This Gita message, the values that Gita teaches us, will be on camera, will be on the radio and on television. The Mahotsav will include a 3-day international Gita seminar where foreign scholars have been invited. 125 scholars from 16 countries will be coming. They will present their research on Gita. Those who will listen to their lectures will highly benefit by it. Today the festivities begin on 15th with a magnificent crafts and entertainment fair on the sacred banks of the Brahma Sarovar in Kurukshetra. Various artists, craftsmen, performers will grace the occasion, this religious and historic occasion. through the support of the Ministry of External Affairs, Gita Mahotsav celebrations will also be organized in 51 countries. Gita will be organized, this festival will be organized in 51 countries with live broadcasts, connecting millions of devotees across the globe. We are also privileged to welcome 20 spiritual scholars from Fiji, Trinidad and Tobago, these foreign countries, who will participate in key events over 2 days. 2 दिन के लिए ये 3 देश, Fiji, Trinidad and Tobago, they will come, the spiritual scholars. Educational institutions, including Kurukshetra University, NID, NIT, and Ayush University will organize Gita seminars from November 24th to December 1st. A grand Gita Maha Arti will be performed every evening. आज से शुरू होगा at Brahma Sarovar from November 15 to December 5. Cultural programs will be held across the 48 KOS Kurukshetra region from November 25 to December 1st. I am making my version short. As in previous years, the Gita book fair will be held. Books on Gita. And in various foreign languages, Gita are going to be translated. They will be distributed in foreign languages. Exhibitions highlighting Haryana's development and public welfare schemes will be set up at Bada Sarovar, and Purushottam Bhag Gita editions in many languages will also be displayed. I am happy to share that 25 artisans from 7 countries, artisans of high caliber, from 7 countries will participate, presenting their unique crafts. Numerous religious, social and educational institutions will host the exhibitions. A vibrant Haryana pavilion will also offer visitors a taste of the state's culture, crafts and cuisine. Various types of food will be shown, will be distributed, of Haryana's dress, Haryana's culture, Haryana's various types of cuisine. The municipal commissioner will oversee the creation of Mahabharata themed street art across the city. Very interesting is that from December 1st, in all districts headquarters, a Gita Shobha with cultural programs will start from November 28th to December 1st. In Haryana's all district headquarters, Shobha Jatra will begin. Let me also share with you that the grand festival is made possible through the wholehearted participation of numerous religious, social, cultural, voluntary organizations. Without their help, this grand festival could not have taken place. I also thank Madhya Pradesh which has been the participant state this year for the first time. Madhya Pradesh has been a participant state. It will set up a cultural tent. Various aspects of Madhya Pradesh's life will be exhibited. The Ministry of External Affairs, we are indebted to the ministry. ICCL, North Zone Cultural Center, Patiala, the Kurukshetra Development Board, Kurukshetra University, and the Government of Haryana's Public Relations and Cultural Affairs Department. To all these organizations, we are grateful for the help and cooperation they have extended to us. Without their help, this grand exhibition and Mahotsav would not have taken place. In conclusion, I extend a warm invitation to the people of Haryana and the entire nation to join us in celebrating the International Gita Mahotsav. Let us come together in the sacred land of Kurukshetra, the birthplace of Bhagavad Gita. Kurukshetra is the birthplace of Bhagavad Gita, and draw inspiration from its eternal message. We draw inspiration from its eternal message, and this message to not to any community, but to all humanities. I wish you all peace, prosperity, and spiritual enrichment. Thank you. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Hind.